Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for giving me 218 subscribe. Yes, and now I do my another robot. This is my robot. It's kinda a little bit shy, but it's not shy. It's not a living thing. Okay, now let's go. But first, you guys has a thing to do in my video. You guys must give me as more subscribe as you can, because I need to do more video to do another great thing. And if I get money to do a special thing, another for my video channel, one day there's another videos, and my mom gonna do that. Alright, now let's do this video on. So this is my robot. It can turn around for 300 degrees. Okay. Oh my god, this is off. And I call this robot name is Transwing. Trans cause his head can change. It can change by vehicle robot, and it can turn into a talking robot. You guys want to hit talking? Okay. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, they just a joke. You cannot talk. Okay. So I call this thing Transwing. Trans I done to do. It can turn itself like this. And this missile, it has two mode. First mode is Gatling. Second mode is missile launcher. Alright, done. And now I call it wing because it can push heavy thing and give this robot energy is more faster. This thing can give robot energy faster. Use the wing. Wing can give it more faster, and use the light sunlight. Alright, you guys want to see how it's push this thing? 3, 2, 1, go. So it push just like this, like that. I put something in front of it so it can be more faster to push thing. Alright guys. This I use it to do so it can be turned around. Oh, has to off. Wait, technical difficult. Oh my god. Video. Boy. Beep. Alright, let's go to the video. So guys, thank you so much for subscribe. And then this is the end of the video. So thank you for 218 subscribe. Give me more subscribe for another video awesome experiment. You guys must give me 1000 if you guys want that video. Bye bye guys, see you soon. Hopefully you're safe. Bye.